Hello everyone. If you are watching this video is for you because this video gonna help you how to create an account in Wave Accounting, how to prepare your account to be ready for use, how to extract the reports after typing and entering your journal entries. Wave Accounting is a dynamic software. This software is useful for small businesses, medium businesses, for SMEs in particular, because it is friendly use and is not complicated. I will start with creating an account in Wave. First of all, I go to Google. I'll type Wave Accounting. It showed me a list of results. So I'll go to the one which has the address www.waveapps.com. Click on it. Wow. It opened the home page where I can create a free account. You type any email you have, either business email, private email, your university email, any email you have. Don't restrict yourself to a particular email. So I'll type an email that I have, and then I type the password. Make sure you save the email and the password, you know them, because you will use them later on once you sign in. So this step is for signing up. We do it once while we are creating a new account in Wave Accounting. Select create your free account. It's loading. Well, we have to follow 3 steps before we are ready to use Wave Accounting. These steps will be done once while we are creating a new account on Wave Accounting. Step number 1. What is your name? Type your actual name. Type your name, your first name and your last name. Second question, be careful with it. What is your business name? In this section, your business name should be your name along with your university ID. So I'll type my name, as you see, but you type yours. Type your name, and then type your university ID. This is just a sample, but you will type your actual university ID. Following a question, what does your business do? The business that we are aiming to enter transaction for is a trading company. So in this regard, you will select other. I make or sell a product. Then the last question is business country. You will select USA. The currency will be in US dollar. Then click on next. Step number 2, asking you about what is the purpose now for using Wave Accounting. Choose a starting point. You can do more later. So the starting point is accounting. Manage your accounting. Select the second choice. Here we are. The last step, step number 3. How do you currently manage your accounting? We will select I haven't started yet, because that's why you are going to use Wave Accounting. Question number 2. Do you currently work with a bookkeeper or accountant? You select no, I prefer doing it on my own. Then, do you run a payroll? For simplicity, we will select I don't run a payroll. However, Wave Accounting offers a chance to link your bank account with the software itself, in which the transactions can be reflected automatically between your bank and the software Wave Accounting. But for simplicity, we will select now for this project I don't need to run a payroll. Last question, what type of business do you have? We will select that we have a sole proprietorship. It is a single company, single owner. Get started with accounting. It's getting ready. Now all what we have to do is select manage transactions, because our purpose of using Wave Accounting is to enter journal entries and extract financial reports. So I'm gonna select manage transactions. Let's go. Now our account is ready to use. I'll just browse. We have menu over here. We have accounting, transactions, chart of accounts. I close the menu. In order to enter journal entries, you go to the menu top in the right corner, click more, then click on add journal transaction. Here we are. This is the window where you will enter your debits and the credits, the journal entry. We will explain this in the following videos. Well, here we go. This is the Wave Accounting. To explore it more, we're gonna click on more, add journal transaction. So the more is over there in the top right. Then a box for journal transaction is opened. You can see here description. We can write the description for that particular journal, debits and the credits. You can clearly notice that the amount of debit is under the debit, the amount of the credit is under credit. To type your journal, it is in the form of a drop list. However, in this drop list, we can't see here all sort of accounts. For example, we only see under assets account receivable and cash, but no car, supplies, inventories. We can't see under expenses the cost of goods sold, and so on and so forth. So these accounts being added by default when you create your own free account. So in order to add more accounts under the chart of accounts, we will go here in the menu. You click in the menu is opened. Under accounting, specifically you click on chart of accounts. Now the chart of accounts, you can see the assets, liabilities, income, expenses, equity. Under assets, we will add inventory, save. Then we will add car under property, plant, equipments. Then here we go, car. Supplies, better to be under other short-term assets. supplies. Also, we need to add cost of goods sold, which is classified as expense. Under expenses, we go to cost of goods sold section. Under that section, we click on add new accounts. The account name is cost of goods sold. Click save. Also, we need to add capital and withdrawal, both under equity. We click here under business owner, contribution and drawing. We click add a new account. And they type the account capital. Save. It's being added. Also, we add withdrawal. Save. Both capital and withdrawal are under the equity. Now we are ready to start entering our journals. We click on menu, we go to accounting, and then under accounting, we click on transactions. We close the menu. Here we go. So to enter the first transaction, we go to the more. Over there on the top right, we click on add journal transaction. And let's say we have a transaction saying the owner invested 100,000 Qatari Riyal in cash. So the description is owner investment. Let's say it was today, the 15th of October. In this transaction, the owner invested. Investment is a capital, and the capital should be in credit because it's increased. As the owner invested in cash, so the cash is assets, and assets has a normal balance in debit, and the cash increase, so then it should be recorded in debits as its normal balance. So here we click on cash on hand, 100,000 Qatar Riyal, and under credits we click on the capital, which will be all down there, capital, with 100,000 Qatari Riyal. So in order to complete this entry, we click on save. Now it's already saved. As we can see here, owner investment, 100,000 Qatari Riyal. To enter another journal transaction, we shouldn't fill this form here. We have to click again on more and add journal transaction. Then we have a fresh page to start with. We have to do that over and over again for every new transaction that we need to enter. With saying that, let's have a look at how can we extract the report. We click on menu, we go under accounting, under reports actually, and under reports, we can see here the reports. We will extract the profit and loss, which is the income statement, and also we will extract the balance sheet. Let's have a look at the balance sheet. It's over here. We click on details. And we can export it as a PDF. Also, if we go again to the report, going to profit and loss, here we can extract the report by exporting it from the PDF. So this is the overall how can we create an account in Wave Accounting and entering journal entries. And before entering journal entries, we already have seen how to add other new accounts in the chart of accounts. Before we end up, let's have a look about how can we delete some transactions that we don't need it. Now let's say that one of these or a couple of them, we don't need it in the journal transaction. We can select them and click the delete and then assure the deletion by click on delete and then done. Thank you so much.